tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath.
Hello guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. As you can see, we are at Lowe's and doing some spring summer decor shopping. So as you can tell, they have a lot of furniture, a lot of really nice stylish outdoor furniture, patio furniture. I really like this chair right here. It had the little pull-out footstool, but I feel like they have a lot of cute just really in style designs. I also like this poly chair right there that I just showed. We got actually a poly rocker and table, 2 rockers last year that we're going to be reusing this year, but I just love all of their furniture that they have, the options they have. Like I said, they just have a lot of cool in style things. I love these little fireplaces in the table too. I would love to have one, but I would rather have that for the patio. Today though, we're just gonna go through, kind of see what's new, what they have, kind of just check out all the new spring finds that they have recently brought to the store.
I'll use a friend. Don't let your fear subside. That's how.
So I'm pretty sure this Dunes sofa is brand new. I have not seen it before. I've not actually seen anything like it before. It is super cool with those curvy cushions. I just love it. I will say that a lot of these cushions could be replaceable. That curvy one, maybe not so much or as easily. But anyway, I also found all the new pots, all the new pillows that go with those pots. They have so many new designs. I'm really loving these boho, just neutral colors. If you guys don't know, that's what I do a lot of in my house. But I also just love all the different designs and stuff that they have that are all pretty much coordinating. As you see here, they have a lot of these different pots. Now these pots here are actually like that clay material. They are definitely breakable. This one right here was so cool, but it was $52. So, you know, I tend to like these ones, but the pricing on them are just a smidgen high. But they also have, like I said, a bunch of new pillows. I'm really loving these orange, just neutral vibes. I mean, is orange technically a neutral? I don't know. Y'all have to tell me. But they have a lot of these cute little lumbar pillows too. This one said relax. They had another one. I just think these colors are beautiful in this pillow too. And okay, so spoiler alert, you saw me put this in my cart, but I didn't end up getting it. But yeah, so I was definitely just kind of checking everything out. I love their outdoor rugs. They have, I think the 5x7s typically run about $100, and then the next size up runs about $200. So definitely a lot of new decor for their patio furniture, some repetitive decor that they've had in years past.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small.
Alrighty, so we're moving right along, right on outside to where all the florals are at. They are so beautiful. I am so ready for spring and summer. I don't know about you guys. I know it doesn't get that cold here in Florida, but it is still cold to us. And it has been a very long winter. We finally have hit 80 degrees and I am living for it. I love the warm temperatures and everything that spring and summer has to offer. But again, we're looking at more planters here. I personally like to get plastic planters. They're far more affordable, and you guys, they have come out with so many more new designs with these plastic planters. They're not just your plain Jane, just boring ones anymore. So definitely use a plastic one if you can. They're much more durable, or reliable, I guess. Not necessarily durable, but more reliable, less chance of getting them broke than the clay ones. But I saw these little new type of things where they have a variety of different flowers within a pot, and you literally just, you buy the little plastic thing and then you plant it in your own planter. I thought that design was kind of cool. But also, moving on, when you pick flowers, so just a little bit of a heads up, if you don't know already, definitely make sure you have an idea of where these are going, because we get full sun in most area, but I was actually looking for something that was get more in the partial shade, and so I found a few things, but my favorite thing to do is to come into the clearance section. We buy pretty much all of our flowers. Anything that we've ever bought has mostly come from the clearance section. You can get a lot of great deals. They just need a little bit of extra love and care, and you know what? Your girl doesn't have a green thumb, and somehow I make it all work. So anytime you have ever seen flowers or new plants, they have all come from this section of Lowe's. So definitely always check your clearance sections. There's lots of great plants. They got house plants even. I was trying to talk myself into buying these house plants, but I just knew that it was a bad idea. See, here's another one. They were just so pretty. I would love to have one of these fiddle figs. But you guys, okay, so there's an idea. It's $100 regular price for this fiddle fig. And I will tell you what, it was 50% off. So it's $50 for a real one. It's just crazy, you know, the clearance deals and stuff that you can find. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and finish up here looking at whatever else there is in the outdoor section at Lowe's. And then we're going to go ahead and move on home, and I will show you what we got.
You still lie.
Alrighty guys, so we are back home and we have everything here sitting out. We'll just go ahead and start with the rug that we got. We got this 5x7 Allen Roth rug. We've actually had this rug before we moved down here, and I actually really love it. I think it is so beautiful. It just got really pretty blues, and I think it will go really good with the door. And then we already have this blue planter out here, so I think it'll go really well with that. I also picked up these pillows. I think it'll pull nicely the colors out of the rug into the pillow, and I think it'll just look really nice here on the front porch. And these rockers, we did not get these rockers today, but you can get these rockers. I love them. They're like that poly made material. So they're really nice, great for outdoors, so they don't rot or anything like that. We also picked up a few different plants here, as you can see. We absolutely love shopping the clearance or bargain row. I mean, we bought these pineapples here. These were $20 pineapples. We got them for $10. They so basically what it is, it's like everything over $15 is 15% off, and then they have like different prices for, you know, the dollar amounts under that. So these two plants here, this one was 14, this one's 11, but we paid $7 a piece for each of those. And then I think the pillows were like $21. The rug was $99. We obviously picked up some potting mix for the impatiens here. I think they're both impatiens. Let's see. Impatiens, and yeah, they are. So one's they're just, I think that's a New Guinea impatient, and then this one's just a regular impatient. I don't know the difference. The leaves just look different to me. And then we picked up these two pots here. I just thought they were really pretty and really help pull in that blue color. They are the Allen and Roth brand, which is Lowe's brand if you don't know. So I just thought they were really pretty. I liked that it had a different design, and then I liked that this one has kind of like paint speckles on it almost. I really like that they have really really come a long way in their pots. Especially the more affordable ones. I can't remember exactly how much these are. I'll put the prices of on the screen for you guys. And then don't worry, I will try to link everything that I can. If I can find it, I will link it for you down in the description. But I love it that they are both kind of a blue color, a tealish blue aqua color. It will help pull nicely in the colors from the rug. You know, I don't want anything like matchy, but I think matching the tones and the colors make things just really come together, even though they have a different pattern. So we'll go ahead and plant these flowers in these. These will bloom and come back very nicely. We do this every year. We always shop the clearance and bargain row. We just do everything that we have planted, even in like the front of our yard here. All these were all bargain florals, flowers, everything. So they always tend to come back great, and then you're paying like half off for most of the stuff. So anyway, and then I also picked up a lantern here, a little solar lantern. I'm hoping that it'll work out up here, that it'll catch enough sunlight, but I just thought it was really pretty, and you need some lighting on your porch. So I did get that one. I thought it would go perfectly and tie in perfectly with that tealish aqua blue color. So anyway, that's what I got today at Lowe's, and I guess that's gonna be it. So make sure you guys come back. I think we're gonna probably upload Monday instead of Sunday this week, but we are going through and cleaning. I apologize, that plane is really loud. But we're gonna upload probably Monday this week, since this video is going up a little bit late. But I'm going to be cleaning and pressure washing this whole patio area, getting this just all cleaned up and decorated and everything, and ready for spring. It has been absolutely beautiful here in Florida, so, and I know other places are starting to warm up too. So anyway, I think it is time. I am ready. So anyway, I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite flower is, and we will see you guys in the next one. So I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye guys.
Nothing seems like it should in the cold.